Producing high-end, commercial-grade advertisements no longer requires a $50,000 budget, a massive camera crew, or weeks of location scouting. The rules of video marketing have completely changed. Today, I'm going to show you how to generate cinematic, highly converting ads for real brands using AI, and we're going to do it in a fraction of the time it usually takes. The secret weapon we are looking at today is Higgsfield Cinema Studio. Instead of just typing a random text prompt and crossing your fingers, Cinema Studio is designed to give you the exact control of a real-life film director. It comes down to three massive advantages. Total consistency. You can create custom characters, lock in specific locations, and integrate your actual physical products so they look identical across every single frame of your ad. Second, unmatched speed. You can conceptualize, generate, and iterate on a full-scale commercial in a matter of hours, rather than waiting for weeks for a traditional production cycle. And third, boundless creative freedom. Whether you need a photorealistic live-action cinematic sequence or a fully 3D animated comedy short, you can pivot your entire art direction with just a few keystrokes. It is the ultimate tool for producing high-converting video content while drastically slashing your production costs. If you're new to this channel, I'm Sergio Felix, founder of Profit Pulse Media. We're a small marketing agency obsessed with finding the most efficient, high ROI ways to scale the brands we work with. At Profit Pulse Media, we don't just follow trends, we leverage cutting-edge tech to build customer acquisition systems that actually work. And right now, AI video generation is the biggest unfair advantage you can have. So let me show you exactly how we can use it. Let's go with the first one. An ad for one of the brands we handle, Woundworks. First, we create the base images to ensure the same style is maintained. Let's start with the cast. For this, we select the AI cast option, add our prompt, select the genre, which in this case will be action, and ask for 2 images. We leave it in 4K. Since there's no difference in the amount of credits spent, which are very few as you can see, only 1/8 of a credit per image. Image creation is actually very fast. It immediately gives us these 2 options. I'll stick with the second one since I feel it's more in line with what I want to achieve. Now let's move on to the location. For this, we select cinematic locations, enter our prompt, and leave the rest the same. 2 images, 4K, and there we go. It gives us these 2 options. This time, I'll stick with the first one. Now we are going to generate our video. First, we select the 2 images we just created. These will appear in this tab right here. We select them and add them to our prompt with an @ symbol and the number of the image we want. We hit generate, and that's it. It creates an action scene in our location and with our character. The scene is consistent, engaging, and smooth. Let's see how it continues. This time we'll focus on his wound, and finally we'll end with the character taking the product that will help him heal. For this, we add our product and also add it to our prompt with an @ symbol, and that's it. Here's how it turned out. The wound remains consistent and the product is faithful to the real thing. I'll add some extra details, a final CTA, we edit, and this is how it looks. There are details we could fix, but I think it's pretty good for a first attempt. You can keep tweaking the scenes and refining the prompts to create a smoother sequence. Now let's do another test. This time with animation for another client, Infoway. Again, we start with the cast. However, this time we add animation, clean 3D rendering to get an animated character, and it gives us this one right here. I like it, so I'll stick with this one. And now, locations. We enter our prompt and it gives us these 2 options. I'll stick with the second one. And for the second video, I'll use another location, a supermarket. I write my prompt and again it gives me 2 options. I'll choose the first one since the angle works better for the scene I have in mind. Now let's move on to creating the video. The process doesn't differ from the previous one. Since we already have the generated images, there's no need to emphasize again that we want an animation. The only thing we change is action to comedy, so it gives us this kind of funny emphasis. This product helps relieve back pain, so I want to highlight this pain first and then present the solution. We bring him back to his living room, and here we add the product, the Infraway L1. And it integrates very well into the scene. Higgsfield automatically converted the product into its animated version, so it fits the scene. We finished with the relaxed character and a final CTA that I made with VO and added in editing. This is the final result. I think it can also be polished, but this is so you can see how fast and easy it is to create any type of video for different brands. You can explore other genres, add camera movements, and speed. And it doesn't matter if you aren't an expert filmmaker. I use Gemini to generate the prompts, and you can also use it for more specific instructions regarding shots, movements, and speed. If you're going to implement this for your own business or agency, here are a few core recommendations to keep in mind. One is nail the assets first. Don't rush into video generation. Spend the time getting your character and location images exactly right. If your foundation is solid, the video scenes will naturally fall into place. Second is leverage AI for prompts. As I mentioned, you don't need a film degree. Use an AI like Gemini to act as your director of photography. Ask it to write prompts that include camera angles, lighting conditions, and pacing. And third is embrace the edit. The AI gets you 90% of the way there. Don't be afraid to take those clips into your editing software, add sound, design, trim the fat, and drop in a strong text overlay for your call to action. The bottom line is that the barrier to entry for high quality video marketing is lower than ever, but the standard for creativity is much higher. If you want to stop burning cash on inefficient production and start scaling your campaigns with strategies like this, we need to talk. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and follow Profit Pulse Media for more breakdowns on the exact systems we use to grow brands. More importantly, if you want my team to look under the hood of your current marketing and build a custom growth strategy for you, click the link in the description below right now to schedule a completely free consultation with Profit Pulse Media. We'll show you exactly where you're leaving money on the table. Hit that link, book your call, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.